I'm Danielle, and this is my freedom story. So 2 words I would say used to hold me was anxiety and depression. When I walked into the Ave, I was basically a scared little girl. The first day I remember walking in there, I kind of hid behind my dad. Depression feels like you're in the ocean and wave after wave just keeps crashing down on you. You almost get to the surface and you can see the sunshine breaking through the water, but another wave comes to push you back down. I've questioned whether Jesus was there for me. I finally got to break through the water and feel the sunshine on my skin when he started finally setting me free. It was finally getting that fresh air again. So how I feel I've been set free from my anxiety is through everything that I've gotten to be involved with, from helping lead the youth and literally standing in front of them, giving them a message, to making devotional videos during the quarantine. Those are both things that I never would have thought I would ever be doing. God has used my MC to just help me grow. It's our missional community, and we get to come together and just be a family, eat meals, get into the Word. We also go on mission together. My MC are all leaders of our youth. He put these people in my life that will help me grow and continue to push me to grow. I never would have imagined working for the Avenue Church because I have a freedom to use all my gifts. Whether that's leading, creating new content, or executing events, I kind of have my hands in everything. This is my home, my family. I couldn't imagine being anywhere else.